Hello everyone, I'm Michael Stapleton, President and CEO of UR Medicine Thompson Health. As we wrap up 2025, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on this year's journey, beginning with a major achievement made possible by our nursing administration and dedicated nurses. Thompson Hospital was redesignated as a magnet nursing facility for the 5th consecutive time. This is an incredibly rare achievement. Only about 1.5% of magnet-designated hospitals earn a 5th designation, and even fewer among community hospitals of our size. It is an extraordinary accomplishment that validates our commitment to nursing excellence and reinforces our reputation as a leader in healthcare. Our magnet redesignation serves as a powerful reminder of just how transformative this year has been. We experienced significant growth, particularly in primary and specialty care. Our new Thompson Health gastroenterology practice formally joined the system this year, preserving a long-standing local GI practice while also expanding its team to include a second physician and 2 additional advanced practice providers. We also continue to recruit and retain a robust primary care workforce, adding 9 new providers across our locations. This reflects our ongoing investment in local access to care, positioning us to meet the region's growing demand for outpatient services. We even opened a new pharmacy on Route 96 to better serve families in Victor and Farmington. Within the hospital, we implemented a multi-million-dollar campus improvement plan aimed at enhancing patient experience and clinical capabilities. We completed a major upgrade to our main entrance, relocated and refreshed our chapel to be closer to the ICU family waiting area, and moved the gift shop to a more visible and convenient location in the main lobby. As part of this construction project, we are replacing our aging MRI with a new wide-bore machine, making it more comfortable for patients to undergo scans. The construction project also includes the future expansion of our nationally recognized birthing center from 10 to 12 labor and delivery rooms. This growth comes as Thompson is on track to deliver nearly 800 babies this year, while continuing to hold advanced perinatal certification from the Joint Commission, among other distinctions. At Clark Meadows, our assisted living apartments, we began construction on a new 12-apartment memory care unit, a project I introduced to you last year. This endeavor was made possible by a combination of support from the Sands Family Foundation, proceeds from our foundation's Gala and Golf Classic, and hundreds of community donations, all of which helped us greatly exceed our fundraising goal for this $2.6 million project. As we do every year, we made additional investments in our workforce. Thanks to the Thompson Foundation and its many donors, our healthcare education fund continues to provide financial support for entry-level associates who wish to advance into higher-level roles such as LPN or RN. Thompson's focus on our associates and the care they provide patients helps us earn high-level recognitions that reflect real outcomes. We once again earned the Joint Commission's Gold Seal of Approval for advanced total hip and knee replacement. This certification, along with our many other Joint Commission accreditations, demonstrates our continuous compliance with their rigorous performance standards. Speaking of performance standards, I'm pleased to share that all 3 of Thompson's urgent care centers earned overall patient satisfaction scores in the 97th percentile regionally, with our Canandaigua location achieving an impressive 99th percentile for satisfaction. The average check-in to check-out time in Canandaigua is about 29 minutes, with 90% of our patients seen and discharged within an hour. The bottom line, our urgent cares are quick and patients are happy. Our effort to care for those in need not only elevates Thompson Health in terms of our industry accreditations, but also our standing in the Finger Lakes. In the Best of the Finger Lakes Awards, we were voted Best Family Practice, Best Hospital, Best Rehab, Best Senior Living, Best Nursing Home, and more. The Rochester Business Journal also named 7 associates as healthcare heroes this year. It is truly a privilege to work alongside each and every one of the 2,300 Thompson family members. And as a family, our associates take great pride in caring for our patients and residents. They genuinely love what they do. Their commitment shines even brighter because we make their well-being a priority. Thompson earned several national awards that recognize our commitment to fostering a supportive and healthy work environment. We take care of those who take care of you. Our culture of recognition and gratitude became even more visible this year. We launched a new program that complements the Daisy Award for nursing. Called the B Award, it honors non-nursing associates, such as patient care technicians and medical office assistants, whose work is essential to safe and compassionate care at the bedside. When we step back and look at 2025, the story is clear. More patients served, more providers recruited, major facility upgrades underway, high-level quality recognitions, and most importantly, deeper investment in our associates. In fact, it's our associates and our culture that truly sets us apart from all others. It's why time and again, people leave other health institutions to come work at Thompson. If caring is your calling, we'd love to have you join the Thompson family. On behalf of our board of directors and the executive leadership team, I wish you and your family a safe, healthy, and hopeful new year.